Hello everyone, welcome to Cutting Coffee. Here we have another duetto espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replace the O-rings, the gaskets that are located on the lever to make it more easier and more turn on the machine. To make it more easier for the machine, for the lever to be pulled. And now it's extremely smooth, working perfectly fine. We also disassembled the whole machine. The customer complained about the water pump being very noisy, and we basically disassembled the whole thing to make sure that nothing was loose or anything like that. We really couldn't find anything, so we just put it back together and make sure all the screws were complete, were tight, were secure, and nothing was loose inside the machine. We also put this dampening in rubber that you see right here. We follow Chris Coffee recommendation of dampening, how to dampen the tray over here. And yeah, that's all we did to the machine. And we also tried it on water tank mode, as well as the water line, which is connected right now to the water line. And they just run the hot water to the pump. And that was the pump, and you can barely hear it probably. And right now we don't have pressure inside the tank because we just emptied the boiler. So yeah, we really haven't got any issue besides that. We didn't do anything else besides replacing the gaskets of the A61 group head, and then just making sure the whole case of the machine was properly set up. And that's it. So thank you for preparing Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.